What just happened?
We just had our wonderful friend Danny Edens come in to evaluate the fit of the exoskeleton, make sure there's no binding points for my joints. And in doing that, he set up a proper standing position for me. And the exo was balanced where it was standing on its own 2 feet without me doing any work. I could move my arms, I could talk to everybody, and it was like I wasn't even in the exo. It was like I was sitting in my chair. I was nice and stable, which is huge in that regard. But so now we have a good standing position that we can program into the exo for when I actually do use, whenever it's powered on and we use it, it'll pull me up to a nice standing position that's comfortable and anatomically correct. So we got a few adjustments that we need to make, but the exo is close enough to where we can go ahead and start testing next week.
That was a very good example of a good exo, and I think it's going to work. It's a whole lot better than, generation 1, generation 2. It's come a long ways. I'll be excited to see him walk next week.